friends, today I'll give you a review on this Sasimo. It is a pest control mosquito repellent. এটা মশা মারার জন্য খুব উপকারী এবং পোকা মাছি তারপরে ছোট ছোট যে সব আরশোলাগুলো হয় এগুলো ধরার জন্য এটা খুব উপকারী একটা জিনিস। आप इससे मच्छर मार सकते हैं। ये एक फ़ैन की तरह काम करता है। It has a fan inside. When you switch this on, at least you will be safe. First thing I can say that we use very harmful things for our kids, which actually shouldn't be used. Like for example, we use this. This is, you all know, I'm covering the name because I don't want to go into any brand details, so I'm covering the name. We all know this. This is the mosquito liquidator that we use, which is very dangerous, at least in AC rooms. The people who are having mosquito problems can always go for this Sasimo. It will come in a box. I have got this from Amazon. You also get this in Flipkart. You will get various brands. मैंने दूसरा brand भी मंगवाया था, लेकिन this is a very good brand. What it actually does is, आप इसको ऐसे USB plug-in जो है, इसके साथ आपको ये केबल मिल जाएगा. So you just have to plug in with this plug and you turn this on. See, it will, first the lights will come. You can see here are the lights. Okay, first just let me show. See friends, I have made my room dark so that you can see that how it works. Okay, it can also be used as a night lamp. See, it's quite light जो है वो आप night lamp के हिसाब से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये जो lights है ये एक फ्रीक्वेंसी छोड़ता है. सी, यू कैन सी दिस लाइट, ये एक फ्रीक्वेंसी छोड़ता है. इट क्रिएट्स अ वेव, ओके, एंड इट अट्रैक्ट्स मस्कीटोज इन डार्कनेस. what happens is that it will attract the mosquito. It has a small fan inside. Just wait, I'll just turn on the light so that you can see this. This is the product. Okay, this is the light we were seeing in the darkness, and it will, and if you can just see, this is the fan that's going on. ये inside एक fan है. ये क्या करता है, प्रोसेस है कि it will capture the mosquito in this darkness. It will attract the mosquitoes by the waves. When the mosquito comes in here, it will suck the mosquito inside with the help of the fan. और वो एकदम उसको dehydrate करके मार देगा. And it has been very useful for me because I live in a ground floor and there are lots of mosquitoes in my house, and it's very harmful for my kids when I turn on the mosquito liquidator or maybe the mosquito coil at night inside the AC. That is more harmful. और जब गर्मी होता है, you cannot put on the mosquito net because it's very hot. So for all these reasons I had to go for this. Firstly, it was a trial and error basis that I should go, I shouldn't go, like what I should do, but now it's become a very helpful friend for me. There are other brands, but you should always go for this. Let me just open this and show it to you. See friends, these are the mosquitoes for the evening. I can say this evening my mosquitoes has been captured here. You just have to twist it so that it will get open. So this is the fan inside. If you can see, just let me zoom it. Just let me zoom it and show it to you. Can you see, this is the fan inside? It will just turn and it will suck in the mosquitoes inside it. These are our very best friends. हम लोग का बहुत अच्छे दोस्त है ये मस्कीटो, जो हम लोग को डेंगू देता है, मलेरिया देता है, चिकनगुनिया देता है, और न जाने क्या क्या रोग इनके साथ हम लोग के घर में आता है. See, it is all these mosquitoes have already died. So I would suggest you can go for this. See friends, now I have just closed it. So one thing you should remember, that when you just go to bed, you must light this before 1 to 2 hours. Darken your room so that it captures the mosquito before you go to sleep, so which is very important. And you just need to turn this on when your kids are playing so that they are saved. When we buy all these these high price liquidators, they are very expensive. They come around maybe 60 to 70 bucks. These are poison. See, there is a caution in every liquidator. Just let me show you. We use the liquidator, but we don't read the caution. This is the caution because it is very poisonous for our kids. We shouldn't use these. Neither the coils, neither the other machines or other poisons for mosquitoes. Go for safety, go for this pest control. It is really very effective. I myself am using it. It's very useful, guys. So if you like this review, okay, let me tell you the price. मुझे ये Amazon में 599 में मिला, 599 रुपए. I have got this for 599, 599 টাকা, and this is worth every penny, because the amount of money I wasted on these liquidators, these typical liquidators, in a month I would I would require about 3 to 4. So it almost comes to 200 to 250 bucks there. On that you can have this for your entire year, not only 1 year. Maybe it will go on until it is become, it will never get spoiled. ये कभी नष्ट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये तो सिर्फ पंखे के सहायता से, और ये waves ये LED lights है, which will never get never be broken, or it can never खराब नहीं होगा कभी. So you can always, I would always suggest you get yourself one if you're really suffering from mosquito. It's a very good repellent. Not only mosquitoes, small flies, like in Kali Puja you have Shamapoka. Okay, now small bugs. It will just capture it and it will kill it. I hope this review was very helpful for you. And if it was really helpful, just go ahead, subscribe my channel for more reviews, more different types of videos on children. And you can also go for many different kinds of recipes. It's a multi-dimensional channel, okay? I'm not restricted to something specific. So just hit the subscribe button and please give a like. Stay tuned. Bye.